Yeah. Alright. Back in another one, wait, what again? Country for the boys are making noise. Do not give a fuck, I come from the west. Coming through it, the boys are making noise. Do not give a fuck, I'm a beast from the west. I'm a beast when I jump on this line. Yes, you wanna talk in the spies, all these voices talking in my head. Yeah, they wanna echo, I'm so brain dead from smoking this corns. I'm sorry for my wrongs, but you know how I'm gonna jump on this shit. Jump on this real shit, all I do is spit that ill shit. Yes, you wanna talk about taking the streets, like what you know about back in their days when I was flipping those packs. Everyone knew me, lad. I was the plug and now they bro in a CB, they were the days. But now I moved and I changed my ways. Now I'm moving in this rap shit and saying my lot. That's what you need to know. I'm a beast for the rest. While I go on this, while I jump on this. Yes, I'm making these hits. But you wanna claim what's mine? I'm gonna claim what's mine. I'm never gonna do that time. I don't fuck with crime anymore. Don't fuck with love. Don't fuck with lust. Cause all the ones up above are gone. You need to know how I wanna spit, how I wanna fucking do this shit. Like with my boys, I'm making noise. What you wanna know? You're just a guest, come and go bro, but really wanna know me. Younger players on the field, cause I back my G's like the letter B. I ain't worried about it, actually wanna tap me. Now I'm getting dazed every day, and I'm smoking on the purple lays. Now I'm stuck in the days, eh? Yes, it's like I'm going through a maze in this life, but I wanna off, I wanna go far with this shit. That's what you need to know. I'm making those hits, like I'm claiming what's mine in this game. Yes, let's be the GOAT. That's not what I'm trying to be, like I'm just trying to incinerate these newcomers. And yes, I've been in this game for like 2 years, and I'm still not making moves. It's alright, it takes time, that's what you need to know. But when I blow up, that's my year, and I'm gonna fucking do this shit, yeah. Do it for my boys, we making noise. Do it for my boys, we making noise. Do it for my boys, we making noise. We making noise. Do it for my boys, we making noise. Do it for my boys, we making noise. Do it for my boys, we making noise. You're just a guest, come and go, bro. But really wanna know me, yeah, you really wanna know me. You wanna piss some more mind? Let me tell ya, I'm never gonna be up with this shit. I'm rhyming, I'm a rapper, that took a while for this piece to come out. And my sound, yes, I'm talking loud, prior in my life, priorities are a must. Yeah.